About $575 million all told have been spent. Cash in kind have been contributed by friends and brothers around the globe. But now we have to go for rehabilitation, reconstruction of our infrastructure to put people back on their feet. It's a huge challenge that we have to put back people on the feet to the tune of 33 million. That is, I think, unprecedented in the contemporary history. Therefore, today this conference on resilient Pakistan is being undertaken, and I'm glad to announce and share with you, as you must have all known by now, that various representatives from various parts of the world, French President Macron, and Turkish President Erdogan, and other international dignitaries have either spoken through Zoom or through video messages, supporting and inspiring all of us to undertake this gigantic task. I would like to conclude by saying that Pakistan today, in consultation with its friends and institutions, presented comprehensive framework plan for resilient recovery, rehabilitation, and reconstruction, and includes a robust financing mechanism